Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NBY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance. The first level of support that stands out, and then I'm curious about going forward, at least I think it's still above it. Yeah, it's right here at this trend line, which you can see this trend line has been essentially monitoring, the movements of the price since back here on the 18th. So the 18th, there is that gap up. And then from there, the prices just continue to drift higher and higher. And I realize, quote unquote, drift is just a word, but that's the nice thing about charts is they allow you to take a word and actually assign some visual to it. So, to just visualize drift, just picture that trend line right there. And as long as the price stays above that line, then that implies that from the big picture point of view, then yeah, the price is still drifting higher. Or, and to be more precise as far as technical lingo is concerned, the price is still trending upwards. So this is why we would call that an uptrending trend line, because it's showing that the price is trending upwards. So yeah, there's been several pullbacks, but with each and every one of those pullbacks, those lows just keep getting higher and higher, and that's what you want to see. Now, in the event the price does not hold above that trend line and falls down below it, the next key level of support at that point in time would be down there at, let's see, what is that? The 63-cent mark. So ideally speaking, yeah, you want to see the price hold above that trend line. But if the price doesn't hold above it, then the next level that you would want to turn your attention to is down there at the 63-cent mark. Now, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, in the very near term, first key level going to be right up there at the 73-cent mark. And then after 73 cents, you have a couple different instances up here at up above 80, both there, and somewhere right around there. But point being, from the general perspective, there's definitely this zone up here has presented a problem as far as the chart is concerned, but probably getting too far ahead of myself talking about those levels up there until the price can first at least prove itself in the near term by getting up above that 73-cent mark. So keep an eye on those levels going forward, and let's see how this one continues to play out. Still 3 days left this week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.